Okie dokie. So, you've all had, okay, we've all had our workshops, and I'm sure you're feeling super creative right now. And the vibe I have from our movement session, I'm all buzzing. So I feel that there's a buzz that needs to keep on going throughout the whole, the full group, if you're up for that. You may have been sitting for a while. I'm not sure how the other workshops took place, but this is your opportunity to either stand or sit or whatever works for you is okay. But this is a time where you have to, you're going to have a partner in your space. Were you all told to bring a partner to dance with? Oh, that's okay, because the partner's within. The partner's your heart. What more do you need? So you're going to have a good old dance with your heart. Great, we're up for it. So bear with me while I do the technical thing to share some music with you. And just before that, just want to say that sometimes on the journey of connecting to our heart and the love of who we are, it can be a bumpy ride. Anyone else can relate to that? Or is it easy peasy lemon squeezy? Always, always. Yes, exactly, David. That's what is a lovely ride. And sometimes it's hard to think you're gonna get up, back up, and it's all gonna be great. So what I thought, I chose a great song for you. And the words are very easy. It's gonna get better. That's it. It repeats and repeats. And so whilst you're dancing and you're having, I'm actually not going to direct you. Well, I might do a bit. But ultimately, this is your time to clap. Clap. Show me that you know how to do that. We've got a few minutes. We all know how to clap.
We can unmute and put our videos on too, so we can hear each other.
We know how to click. Right, we can move our shoulders, we can do whatever we want, but it's ours. We can just use our finger if that's all it takes. We can just use our head if that's all it takes. Whatever works for you. This is your moment to get your blood flowing and to really connect to your heart in the most unapologetic, here I am, way. So have fun and enjoy connecting with each other. Imagine you're connecting with each other at the same time. So some of you are having to leave. Thank you for joining us and being with us. And we wish you the very, very best. Thank you so much for being with us. And now share sound. Let's do this.
Come on, everybody, put your hands together. It's got to get better. All over the world. Listen to these words. People come. People come. People go. People go. Your life has been out of control. You're confused. But don't worry.